I think it's been a bit of a shambolic week or so with everything that's been going on, and this just sums it up really. You know, you're coming off the pitch, you think you've worked so hard for 4 or 5 months, and you achieve that. To find out this, obviously it's a difficult one. Yeah, tough.
Going down, what was it, 30 seconds or something like that. We got character in abundance here. We got ourselves back in the game, and unfortunately we just couldn't get that goal. But we tried to play for a draw, but I've just seen now that the Barri and Connors Key game's been abandoned, so we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But we've done all we can.
First half we weren't great, and in saying that, we probably had 3 or 4 decent chances in the first half. Keepers made a couple of saves, a couple got blocked. Obviously to score after 20 odd seconds, I thought then Barri were very good, caused us a number of problems, which they always do because they're a very good side. Second half we were a lot better, without really testing their keeper. I think Greg's header from the corner, and I looked a good chance. I have to see that again, but the ending then is just mental. And then to hear that Connors Key has been called off, you know, I feel for Barri, I feel for those guys as well, because they got to go and play another game on Saturday. It just delays phase 2 now, because none of us will know the fixtures till after the weekend instead of knowing them tomorrow morning. But what can you do? We
sat down at pre-season before the game started, and we set out targets, and top 6 was our target. So if we hit it, that's our goals reached at the end of the day. And like you said, we haven't been there in a while, so it's nice to be back up there. It was the security part of it as well, like, you know what I mean? And fighting for Europe, that'd be nice to be back in there.
Ben was adamant. Centre forwards, he's always going to be adamant. It wasn't handball, but yeah, I've seen a picture. It looks like he could have called it, but it's a hell of a decision from the whoever called it, because I didn't hear anybody complain about the goal. So in fairness, whoever's seen it has made a good decision, because it looks like the right one. But that's not the way you go. When we have VAR light, that'll get picked up next season anyway. So, you know, it is what it is. Some go for you, some go against you. Just get on with it.
To think that you've achieved something, okay, because a lot of work gone into it, and then to come off and hear that, hear the news, and obviously, we should be in there. The club should be celebrating all the volunteers, all the people who work here, players, staff, everybody, the committee, board members, everything. It should be a really, really good night, but it's not. So it's tough.